Hello, nice day. This is YOSO Motion. Now we are in the ball screw factory. Look at our big and long ball screw. This is our 8-meter large ball screw, built for heavy duty and long travel applications. It delivers stable structure, smooth motion, and reliable precision for large CNC systems, gantry robots, and long-distance automation lines. Let's take a look at machining details of this component. The ball screw undergoes precision grinding, resulting in a smooth surface, consistent thread pitch, and clean geometrical lines. Welcome to place your order and try our product. We offer full after-sales support and warranty, so you can buy with confidence and use with peace of mind.